Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Smallest FM Audio Bug Spy Device, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Here we see the project working in action.
Hello.
This would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. This project is strictly for educational purposes and does not encourage illegal usage. This device can help your conversations from a distance. The components we use here are an FM audio transmitter and receiver module, micro speaker, Wi-Fi microcontroller, battery, and an FTDI module. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.